Burrows left off with a strikeout. One out. Go ahead, run on base. Kobe Mayo coming up to the plate.
Yeah. Look at the fastball there and struck him out. 2 strikeouts now. Sandwiching a walk, and that will bring up the top of the lineup. And Jackson Holiday. Here's the 0-2. Runner goes in. Strike 3. So 3 strikeouts with 1 walk for Braxton Astros as we move on to the 6th. Heading to the bottom of the 6th inning, it is a 1-1 game. Jeremiah Jackson, first pitch, 5-6. It is welcome to the bottom of the 6th inning. An ambush from Jeremiah Jackson, who continues to dominate Major League pitching in his first month plus. This kid can hit it everywhere.
Well, KB, you asked for runs, and Jeremiah Jackson was happy to
Okay, we got it. 6, 5, 8. Now we're gonna do 2 4-0s, and we're just gonna do them, and whatever goes, we go. We got it. I'm in charge of shipping. There's a new shipping manager. You go straight directly to me. There's no second. There's no bullshit. We don't have to worry about excuses anymore. I'm the excuse now. So we'll see if that works out. We got Friday and Mondays are the shipping. 23 teams left. We're going to go full or not. I don't see anything that's going to stop us from going on both breaks, especially this one. It's just going. That's how we're going to do it, guys. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. Baseball season's full effect. Football season started. Best time of the year, guys. My opinion, you guys figure it out. Florida, you're coming. The weather's going to change. Maybe where you're living could change for the better, worse, whatever. I don't know. Florida, I love it. October, September, October, whatever. Baseball season, that weather starts changing. The playoffs start. Oh, we got them. They're coming in. Everyone's fighting for that last wild card spot. Ooh. We got football starting. We got the Chiefs. They lost. Oh, man. It's, you can't beat it. You can't even beat it. You can't even beat it. I don't know. You tell me. We're having the time of our lives, guys. 23 teams left. Give me the 23. I'll take them. We got the Bowman. We got the Topps Chrome. We got the Bowman Mega. We got a lot of good stuff. 2 breaks tonight. We'll go, 11:30 and 12:30? Say no more. Say no more. It's called Lucky Breaks, not Lucky Weights. I've been saying that for years, and I still agree with it, guys. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. If I say this, I've said it many times. If you're not, you can do something about it. Yeah, there's a little bit of doubt about it, but nah, I'll agree with him for the most part.
Santana will come on, and this 2-2 tie.
Mr. Rivera, and that is going to be popped straight up in the air. Derek Trujillo will take command, take the ball, and take this game to the top of the 10th inning. So now runners on at first and second. The third baseman Rivera is creeping in. Spencer Horwitz get out. Horwitz swinging away.
21 teams left. We're giving them away at these prices, guys. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. We have the paper base at 11. All the paper base. It's not the first. The first will ship. Everything's going to ship. We're going to get all this stuff shipped for you guys. Right now, if you only have like 1 or 2 cars, I'll ask you guys if you want to do combined shipping. I mean, come on. 50 cents worth of cards for $6 in shipping. But hey, if you want them shipped, you guys tell me and we'll get them shipped for you. There's always that person that says, ship them now. You got 2 cards worth 10 cents. Okay. Get the hell out of the room. No, I'm just playing. No, I'm not. Okay, hopefully everyone's having a good night, guys. What's up? What's up? Who's your team? Who's your team? I want to know, who is your team? On baseball or football? Tiger's been hanging in there all year. I'm going with the Mariners. I think the Mariners are going to come through on the Astros. They're kind of eating up. They're 4-6 on the last 10. Astros 3-7. I don't like the Astros at all. The Rangers are heating up. They're 7-3. I don't know. Mariners better get it together. That's probably the best race of the league, the American League West. Mariners, Rangers, and Astros. They're pretty tight. Angels and A's are way back there. But the A's got the Rookie of the Year, right? Nick, when it hurts, it hurts. Tigers pretty much got it locked up. They're 8.5 games ahead. Blue Jays, Yankees, that, and Red Sox, that could be another battle. That could be another battle. I'm not going to argue with that battle at all. Phillies pretty much got locked up. They're 9 games ahead of the Mets. Brewers took over the Cubbies. Remember the Cubbies were hot? Man, they're like turds. Mariners and Seahawks. My man. I like it. I'll take that all day long. Okay, Mariners and Seahawks. I like it. I'm not going to argue with that. That's pretty much where I would go. So, Dodgers and Padres. They're fighting for first over there. I remember when I first started breaking, I said the Padres are stacking up. Well, they're 5 years later, they're there. I go with it. I like it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Seahawks. Not going to say anything wrong with the Seahawks. Since they're in last place, they lost. They had a tight one there. 13-17, 49ers. And the 49ers, they didn't have everything there for them, so Seahawks should have won that. I don't know. Seahawks, I dream about the Seahawks going, and when they do, they end up losing. Remember when they lost against the Steelers? Man, I said the Zebras won it, but then they lost against the Patriots in the Super Bowl. I mean, they should have won 3 Super Bowls in that era. And they just, it's the Northwest teams. They just can't, they can do it. They can be hot. They just can't just seal the deal. I don't know why. They just can't seal the deal up there in the Northwest. I don't know. I'm with the Seahawks, but I'm definitely with the Mariners. Hopefully the Mariners can just pull it off and skip the Astros. For sure. Who's your team? Now here's Seahawks and the Mariners. I'm not going to argue with that. I like it. We're going to go live in 5 minutes, guys. We got 21 teams left. No big deal. I need cards. I'll be right back, guys. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. Get your seat on. Get your popcorn, whatever it is.
Rookie of the Year candidates here. Who's going to win? Horton and Baldwin.
Now tipped into the mitt of Kelly, struck him out.
Looks like Kay just won the award right there. He won the battle. Got him with a changeup.
Now Hassan Kim at the plate.
Chop towards third, and Shaw handles it. Shaw continues to play sensational defense at third.
Here comes the 1-2. Harris lines one to deep left. Half on the track near the wall. Makes a backhanded catch. Nice play for out number 3.
Kane Horton's gotten the first 6 in a row.
Look up for Ian out.
He's playing a fly ball driven center field. Harris back some more. That one is off the wall. Ian racing for second. And how about Happ? A single and a double. You know what that means, JD?
He's going to drive the boat. It's halfway to a cycle.
So Happ in scoring position, and now it is Seiya Suzuki.
Suzuki with a check swing and a pitch low on a field. No swing, says the first.
Okay, I got a good one for you guys. Besides the playoff picture and all this and that, has anyone got their Halloween candy purchased? John Morant. Honestly, I'm not with you on that. There's like the guy that got caught with the gun like 2 times in a row. And that's more like my buddy Jimmy. He likes that guy.
Used a slider to fan Castro. Great job. More damage control by Strider. Gives up 1 run.
6 up, 6 down so far.
Jimmy was on that John Morant guy. I don't know. Is he hot? I don't know basketball that much, so I can't say much about that. I don't know. Maybe a stud, I don't know. But I picked up my Halloween candy from Costco today. I don't know if anything's gonna be left by the time Halloween comes around. I doubt it, the way I'm eating it today. I doubt it. We'll see. My belly might look like Santa Claus by Christmas, though, if I keep eating it the way I am. What the hell is Mike DeFreitas doing in so early? What the hell? Oh, I know why. Because DeFreitas hit a banger at lunchtime at work today. So he got a little bit extra, like, jump in his stick. Mm-hmm. DeFreitas is a little hopping around a little bit better tonight. He got a little lunch break going on. We had a Cal Raleigh auto. So he's like, oh, he's on top of the world. He's like, oh, yeah, I'm going to break a little bit earlier. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, Rui. He's on the competitor. You don't like that Costco talk. Yeah, BJ's has a ton of candy. Because they ain't selling any. Everyone's over at Costco buying it. I'm just joking, Rui. We love BJ's. I should give myself a BJ's card. I've never been in there. So I should get it. I should maybe get myself a BJ's card. He's like, they got a ton of candy out there. I'm like, yeah. Because no one's going over there buying it. I'm just playing Rui. Where the hell's Frank Michael at? Frank, where the hell you at? Hopefully everyone's having a night. We got 2 full or nots tonight, guys. Let's get going. It's 11:30. Full or not. There's a new sheriff in town for the shipping. I don't know who his name is, but I think it's Tommy Tom. I'm taking over. And you want to know what? I started sorting this stuff, and I don't mind it. I kind of actually like it. In a sick, demented way, I kind of like it. We'll see about this. This will be a lot of cards to sort, but who cares? I'm coming a little bit better on it. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. Randy Arozarena for the Mariners. Every guy loves BJ's. Oh, I'm not going to argue with that. Not going to argue with that. Oh, not going to argue with that, Warren. If you know anything about Hotlanta, True that, true that, true that. I never tell you the story about in Atlanta. You were there, but let's get going, guys. Box number 1. We're going to reduce them every minute till we're closed, guys. Oh, Tommy's calling y'all. Wake up. No, I'm not calling him out. What the hellman you talking about? Michael Hellman. Ooh. Gunnar Henderson. Organized all the boxes today. I'm like running a little card shop out of my house now. Povich. Brandon, how loud can we go? Lugo. Christian Yelich. Zach Whelan Dealer. Trey Sweeney on the rookie. Luis Angel Acuna. Don't be a baiter. Don't be a hater. Sweeney. Carlos Rodriguez. Povich. Rutschman. Schwarber. Alec Bohm. Jimenez. Zach Neto. And Brooks on the General Lee. Mackenzie Gore. Holmes. Justin Harris. Reynolds. Lindor. Pretty Neato. Arenzarena and Conine. Profar. Meisner and Benettini. Box number 1, we got 21 left. Hopefully everyone's having a good night, guys. And I say, if you're not, do something about it. Tommy Tom will call you out. Tommy Tom wants to be called out. Box number 2, let's get going. We're giving them away. There we go. That might be a turn in the card. Who's got the Dodgers? Dodgers are gone. For good measure. We're going back to Atlanta, so we'll have to get Timmy T out. He was all upset because we didn't. It's a fluke. I didn't even think anything was going on. When Warren showed up, I was like, okay, because I missed him in the card show. I missed him by minutes probably. And so when I saw him down in Atlanta, I was like, get your ass down here. Joey Bart. Francisco Lindor, Rooker for the Oakland A's, Sacramento A's, C.J. Abrams, Blaylock, Schwarzer for the Blue Jays, Shea Rob Whitcomb, Real Muto, Yamamoto, Yoshinobu, Gillespie, and on the auto for the A's. Wow, Alvarez. Wouldn't it be awesome if it was a Nick Hertz? For the A's, we're going to go, I got to find out, but we're going to go with the Top Summit in, I think, February, a while ago, a little bit of ways away. Schwarzer, Alcantara, McDermott, Jackson Morrill, he's back for the San Diego Padres. But yeah, when we go back in February, I'll let you know. I told Timmy I was coming up there, and that's why I wasn't feeling too bad about it, because I was like, we're going up there, and he didn't say much about it. But then when we went live, he was like, what? I was like, what? I was like, dude, I told you I was coming up here, fool. So, and I think it's February when we go. The Topps Industry Summit. When we'll be back up there. 18 teams left, guys. We're giving them away, and we're going to give them away, guys. We're pushing 2 breaks tonight, full or not. And the reason is if we're going to ship Friday and Monday 2 times a week, we got to have enough cards to ship. So, tell your friends, guys, that we're full or not. And you want to know what? I'm in charge of shipping. So if you have a problem with shipping, let me know. I get to sit here and watch the games and do sorting. So, got like a perfect job. Okay, let's go. Schwarber. And all that's Jackson Merrill for the Padres. Floss. Flossie in the house? Yeah, he likes the Seahawks and the Mariners. We'll put them here. Casas, Reynolds, Juan Soto, Graceffo, Leon, Hertz, Nick Winter. No. Randy Arozarena, Chaparro, Schnuck, Chris Sale, and Mason Win-Win. Let it begin. Siri. My bat shipped well. What the hell? What the hell? No, your bat shipped out. Did you get it already? Jimenez. Kobe put some mayo on it. Or some mustard. Vladdy. How loud can we go? Cedric Mullins. Corbin Burns. Paul Skeens. Contreras Brooks on the General Lee. Jimenez. And Joe Musgrove to $1.50. Yeah, all the bats shipped. We shipped all the bats. Or I shipped all the bats. There's no more we. We don't got a turd in your pocket? Santana. No, I ain't got a turd in your pocket. No, I shipped all the bats. 17 left. We're just going to keep going, guys. We'll reduce them every minute till we're closed. That's how we're going to do it, guys. We have 2 full or nots, and we'll reduce them every minute till we're closed. Or unless they get too close. Tell me how it is, Rui. And if it's good, post it in the room. And if it's shitty, let me know. PM me. No, but if the shipping is improved and you guys feel it and you guys see it, post it in the room. And if it's still shitty, just PM me. Let me know. Oh, man. Whatever you guys want to do. You put me on blast. If it's shitty, put me on blast. Put it in the room. I don't care. The truth must be told. Okay, guys. Let's go on the 4th box here. Whatever it is. The 5th box. Ryan Jeffers. Mookie, yeah, you bet. I'm going to tell you it was shitty. Suzuki. Ben Rice for the Yankees. Bassett. Martinez. How loud can you go? Seager for the Rangers. McRae. Skubal. Corbin Carroll. Rodriguez. Malloy on the rookie. Lau. Renfro. Schnuck. Rookie. Stram and Hooley for the Giants. Quan. Holiday Inn. Fitz. Bloss. Noel. Torres. Jimenez. Sagard, rookie. Burns, baby Burns. Lubob. Profar, and Acuna. $17 left, guys. We got 3 more boxes. My. That's my man, Rui. I love that guy. Rui calls him out. He says, "Where the hell you at?" Calls his buddies out. Box number next. That's what we're going to do. It's the Bowman Mega Box. And then we got the Topps Chrome and the Bowman coming out next, guys. So this might be my most... Thank goodness I have... tomorrow off to do sorting the cards. 17 teams left. We're giving them away, guys. There's got to be a time that I just take the rest.
You hear veteran players talk all the time. What's your goal as a team? We
Santos, where the hell you at? Sullivan on the first. Kyle Tucker. Contreras. Locklear. Garcia. Alex Mooney. Simpson. Petrie. Harper. Tatis. Carrera. Mookie, yeah, you bet. Shohei. Oh, yeah, that's a base card. Oh, who gets the Shohei? Rainier. Cabrera. Pond. Kendall. Gonzo. Wyatt Langford, another base card. Jackson Jobe. Imanaga. Riley. Coglione, another base card. Stafora. Tong. And Malcolm Moore for the Rangers. Dylan, part of my crew. And Yuri Perez. The password. Jung. Bryce Harper. Mitch Jebb on the first. And Thorpe. For the White Sox to $1.25. First, you got to field the ball. I love it. He's like, first, you got to field the ball. Walker Janik. Nice little hit there. For the Astros. And Escobar. For the Philadelphia Phillies.
Top of the second inning with big stakes tonight. Do or die time for the Giants. An answer would be welcome.
13 teams left. Cobb Hightower. Luis Angel Acuna. Jackson Jobe. Walker Janik. Rhett Say It Louder. Whitcomb Brooks Lee. Jung Hoo. Box number next. So we got two of the main boxes. We got the Topps Chrome, and then we got the Bowman coming out next, guys. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. Two full or not breaks tonight. Welcome to Lucky Breaks, the home of the full or not breaks, guys. 12 teams left. Giving them away, guys. Giving them away for you. Find another place where they're cheaper. I want to know. PM me where they're cheaper and better. More entertaining. More bullshit going on. More tomfoolery. How much more tomfoolery can you get than me? I want to know. Who has more tomfoolery than Tom Gonzalez? Let me know. I'm home of the tomfoolery. Box number next. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. First of the two full or nots. We got another one after this? Oh, man, I love it. You want to know what I get to do tomorrow? Sort these for you. There's a new sorter in town. It's called Tommy G. Give me an idea. My main goal is to get 3 full or not breaks tonight. That's where I'm heading. So we'll do full or not. We're going to push on full or not Tuesday through Saturday. 1 on Monday. And then eventually we're going to do 3 full or not. And we're going to do case breaks, full or not, shipping the next day. Okay, Reese Hines. Don't be a baiter, Harrison Bader. Don't be a hater, Bryce Harper. Contreras. And is that our auto? No, it's not. Okay. Malloy to 99. 9 teams left to 99. All the 9s are hit. 9 and 9, 9 and 9, 9, 9. Let's go. Churio, Bassett, Leon, Rafael Devers, Chris L. Aaron, you be the judge. Renfro, McDermott, Schwarber, DeZenzo, Paul Skeens and thing, Fernando Tatis, Jones, Ben Rice, rookie, Donovan, and Donovan. Nine to four. Bibby, Seager, Shohei for the Dodgers. Ozzy Albies, McGreevy, Justin Henry Malloy, Klopfenstein, Harris II, Aaron, yeah, you be the judge. Reynolds, Tyler Soderstrom for the Oakland A's, Las Vegas A's, Sacramento A's. You tell me who the A's are. Anderson, Lee, Conine. 5 teams left. Wow, we must be giving them away now. Jeff Conine's son to 150. Luis Angel Acuna, Naylor, Boroyev, Bloss, Aaron Nola, Mookie Yayubes, Trevor. Uh-oh, for the Rockies. Are the Rockies taken? They're taking Drew Romo for the Rockies on the auto to 299. 5 teams left. Braves 29. They're 12 now. Diamondbacks 27. They're 11 now. Giants 24. They're 10 now. Phillies 27. They're 11 now. Twins 24. They're 10 now. Let's just keep going, guys. Show me the money, Ohtani, Contreras. Only 5 teams left. Braves, D-backs, Giants, Phillies, Twins. Braves 12, D-backs 11, Giants 10, Phillies 11, Twins 10. Let's get going, guys. That's the last auto we've seen for the Rockies to 299. Burn, baby, burn, but burn, burn, burn. Max, yeah, you Muncie. Arenado, Yamamoto. Mookie, yeah, you bet. Woblensky. Randy Arozarena, 2 left. We only got 2 left. D-backs 11. Phillies 11. I'll take 25 for both of them. First to 25 gets them both. Oh, man, you know how I do it, guys. Schwarzer, Sasaki on the rookie. Oh, Dylan, part of the crew. I'm going to top load you, buddy. I have faith in you, brother. Dylan, part of the crew, guys. Tell me what you got. Fitzgerald, Ian Happ, Julio heating it up, Bo Bichette, Gorman, Romo, Bellozo, Jason Dominguez, Paul Goldie. And let's get rolling, guys. Jason Dominguez. We got this. We only got 1 box left, guys, and then we got another break tonight. 2nd and 2, full or not, tonight at 12:30. We'll do this in 9 minutes, so we'll have like a little bit of time to chill out. Two left. We got D-backs 11, Phillies 11. I'll do 2 for 25. Made, Nick, when it hurts, it curts. Uh-oh, man, was that all base goes to one spot? Panna. Last team left, D-backs for 10. First of 2 full or not breaks. We got another one at 12:30. And I don't know if it's going to be better than this, but it might be just as good. It could be better. Depends on what your status is, guys. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. 2 full or not breaks, guys. We're going to go Tuesday through Saturday, full or not breaks. 1 on Monday. And our goal is to get 3 full or not breaks Monday through Saturday. It's my immediate goal, guys. So I'm letting you know where my immediate goal is. That's where I'm going with this. 3 full or not. We're doing a case break, full or not, nightly. And then 2 others, full or not. That's the immediate goal. List is updated, guys. We're finally closed. Barrios, do it right. Cuero, Charles McAdoo, Maheo, Rhett, say it louder. Jacob Wilson, Dio Smith, Humphreys, and Lynn. To 5-0 for the Arizona D-backs? The last team? Are you kidding me? Get the hell out of here. Get the hell out of here. Jacob Wilson for the A's. Probably Rookie of the Year. Rockstar. Not going to argue that point. Whitcomb. Rutschman. Cole Emerson. Ortiz Jr. Poppy Ortiz Jr. For the Texas Rangers. Scott Kavanaugh for the D-backs. On the last team taken, doing it right. Jacob, that is. And Scott, that is. Mobley, Gonzo, Tinkens, Brooksley, Paul Skeens and things. Garcia. Oh, yeah, that's the base. So whoever gets the base. Griffin, first rounder. Top prospect. Santana, Urena, Ortiz, Thomas White, Travis Bazzana, Showroom Sasaki, Kobe put some mayo on it, Benj and Pon and Seager. PJ Morlando, Hernandez, Mookie, yeah, you bet, Will Smith, Dana, Quintero, Wilkinson, and Lucas Ramirez to 10. Holy cow. You don't get that on often to 10 for the Angels. Nice hit. See that to 10 down there on the bottom left? Nice hit, brother. Whoever got the Angels. Hampton, Lindsay, Show Me the Money, Otani, Juan Soto, Nick, When It Hurts, It Curts, Tibbs, Wilkinson, Flores, Job, and on the red rookie logo, Rob Lipscomb. No, that's not Rob Lipscomb. That's Shea Whitcomb. That's who that is. Shea Whitcomb. Aaron Cavalaho for the Angels. Montilla, Aiden Miller time. Condon and Humphreys on the Sparkle Me Up. Showalter. Eels, Cade Horton. McGonigal, top prospect for the Detroit Tigers. Nankill. Humphreys and Castillo will go back on the Angels. Castillo to 150. Lines. 2 or more lines? Are you kidding me? DeVries. Josh Noth for the Brewers. Penny. Pennies on the dollar you guys got in this break. Matt Shaw, Brito, Campbell. Riley Green. Are you kidding me? To 250 for the Motown Detroit Tigers. Say no more. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. Hopefully everyone's rocking and rolling, guys. Win-win, let it begin. Lynn for the St. Louis Cardinals. Maddock. DeGrom, Walker, Jenkins, Collis. Jansen, Luis for the Arizona D-backs, otherwise known as the Serpentine. Sasaki for the Dodgers. Ethan Salas. Next break we got up is the mixer. Uh-oh. Oh, are you kidding me? Nick, when it hurts, it curse to $4.99. Oh, shit. Oh, boy. Oh. Oh. Say no more. Say no more. Say no more. Nick, when it hurts, it curts. Seaver, King. Oh my goodness. Say no more. Nick, when it hurts, it curts, it hurts, it curts, it curts, it hurts. Oh boy. You tell me. You tell me, guys. Oh man, you tell me where you can have this much fun. Knock it out of the park. Get teams cheaper than cost and hit bangers. You tell me. I want to know, where can you do this at? It doesn't exist besides at Lucky Breaks. Are you kidding me? Get the frick out of here. Oh man, who got the ace? Chris Warfield, welcome to the club. Are you kidding me, guys? Sit on the bench, guys. Get on the bench. We got another break coming in another half hour, guys. See you there. Be square. Get out of here. Love you guys. Thank you guys for getting in the break. We'll see you guys in about a half hour. Peace.